What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on QNT. So I'm taking a look at the chart. I'm trying to see if there is another potential push up. If we can maintain and hold support um, close to 103, that would be a good sign for another push up. But let me see the. Okay, so on the day, we are QNT is definitely in a position to move up. Um, oh, I messed up right there. Meant to click the week. But I'm starting to notice on the week, a lot of these cryptos are heading downwards, and that's kind of my worry right now. That's why QNT looks like it's slowly kind of breaking down. Anyways, let me go talk about the indicators here. So I am looking at the DXY right now. It still has more room to push up. That's why I believe there's going to be potentially more downside. Uh, we could chop around and then push up, right? But the targets I'm paying attention to is 105.45. That's what I'm paying attention to for the DXY. As for the total crypto market cap, I talk about this in some of the previous videos. I'm still eyeing 1.05 trillion and 1.03 trillion dollar mark for the bearish side of things. If we are able to push beyond 1.179 trillion, I think we may have a short-term reversal and we might have another push up. So I am paying attention between 1.179 and 1.146 trillion. So back to QNT, if you are bearish from this point, I guess the only downside I would see would be on the week, but even this is usually kind of choppy, right? Um, I would actually have to move these targets down. So I originally had a RSI reaching the oversold territory between 147 and 102, and it looks like we did hit that target. Now we are pushing up. Uh, but the concern I have is there's still a little bit more room for downside. So beyond those two targets that I just mentioned, pay attention to sub 100 levels. Until we get below that, the nearest stop would be 97.34 and then $95. For the bullish side of things, there's a lot more bullish potential, but it's really dependent on those two indicators that I mentioned. So far, things are looking green and we're relatively in good shape. So if you are bullish from this point, pay attention to 108. I know it's a large target. There are micro fibs. I mean, there's 105. You could say 106 right here. It goes 106, then 108. Then after that, it's 112 and 114. So I'd like us to really get past honestly 115, to be honest with you, in order to see that kind of that little mini reversal. That's essentially what I'm waiting for. But QNT looks like it's pretty much bottom. Nah, I can't even say that. It reached my target for RSI being oversold, but we'll see how this week goes. I'm paying pretty close attention, especially right before the holiday, right? So, in any case, that's really all I got for this video. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.